So over here, you can see that I got this particular email list right here. And for some reason, I may want to go ahead and print out some emails as I like. So to do that, you can simply go ahead and open out the email that you want to go ahead and print. Let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and print out this email. If you want to go ahead and print it, simply go around onto the file menu right here and then choose print while the mail is open. So once you go ahead and do that, you can choose the destination section right here, like you can save it as a PDF or choose any physical printers right here and choose whether you want your email printed in landscape or portrait right here. You can also see that this is a multi-page email, so you can go ahead and only choose the current email, only the odd pages right here just like this, and only the even pages right here just like this as well. You can also go around print out black and white and print out color right here. And you can go around and utilize more settings right here, and you get the printer option right here as well. Let me just go around over here onto file, onto print right here. And then what I'm going to do is, let's say for example, print it out in portrait mode as save to PDF format. So let me just go ahead and save it, and I'm going to save it out over here on my desktop, let's say for example right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that it says saving. In case you're trying to print with your printer, then it will say printing and it'll create a printout of that particular email. And once it's printed, what happens is that I'm saving this as a PDF file. So you can see that this is what you have. And if I were to go ahead and open it out right here, then what happens is that it opens up that PDF file right here. And if it were to be printed, then this is how individual pages would be printed. And that is how you can go ahead and print out emails using Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.